Thanks for catching up with Marine Surety. As someone who's been in the vintage boat insurance business for years, I can't stress enough how special these classic vessels are and why they need specialized coverage. We're seeing more and more collectors coming to us because they understand that standard marine policies just don't cut it for these floating pieces of history. Let me tell you what makes our vintage boat coverage unique. Unlike modern vessels that typically lose value over time, classic boats often appreciate, especially when they're maintained properly. That's why we work with specialized marine surveyors who really understand these vessels to establish accurate, agreed-upon values. We're talking about coverage that includes original hardware replacement, authentic restoration work protection, and even special provisions for shows and exhibitions. I've seen firsthand how proper maintenance directly impacts both preservation and insurability. That's why our policies are structured to encourage regular professional inspections, proper documentation of restoration work, and the use of period-appropriate materials. We even cover specialized storage requirements and professional handling during transportation. What really sets us apart is our understanding of the show circuit. Many of our clients participate in classic boat exhibitions, and we've designed our coverage to protect these vessels during transportation, display, and demonstrations. It's about creating a comprehensive safety net that preserves these magnificent pieces of maritime history for future generations. Remember, when you're protecting a piece of nautical heritage, you need an insurer who truly understands its value. That's exactly what we provide at Marine Surety.